So this video is going to go over the keel system, the lifting system. The keel is here and it lifts up using block and tackle right there. It goes up through the hole, through the deck, comes out and turns, and it's this blue line on this boat. All right, and we cleat it. So that is really important to have that cleater secure, because if this pops out, that 350 pounds will slide down really quickly. So I actually make a little half hitch just to make sure this doesn't come out of the cam cleat. Right, so when you're going to launch it, you would launch it, then you undo this half hitch, and then when you're in the water, you would lower this thing down until the keel is all the way seated down. And you want to go slowly. You don't need to rush it because it'll jam in there. So once you get it all the way down seated, you'll have this wedge. And it's the keel wedge. And the keel wedge, you see it's got a shape. And the straight edge, right here, the straight edge goes to this inside of this. Okay, so this edge will match this edge. Then when it's down in proper place, there's a pin, a bolt, and a nut, and that goes through these holes right here on the side. Sorry about all this noise. But basically lower the keel, you get the wedge out, you take the bolt and the nut off, pull the screw out, slide this into place, and then on the sides you take this nut and bolt and it slides into this hole through the whole system and go on the other side, and then you just connect the nut onto it loosely, and that just keeps the keel from ever coming up when you're sailing in case you get knocked over or whatever else. So very important that you do lower it fully, get the wedge in place, and lock it into place with the bolt. Then when you want to get out of the water, you got to remember to take it all apart. Take the bolt out, take the wedge out, and then lift the keel before you come out on your trailer, because it will run into your trailer or run into the keel, the ramp, and everything else.